Let's see if we can catch a fish before the sun goes down. Let's go ahead and send out this live mullet, 5.5 ounce spider weight, big old rod, big old bait caster. Let's go ahead and send it out. All right, guys, we might have a fish right here. I think he's coming towards me unless he cut me off. It seems like he did cut me off. Never mind. Got a fish right here. What is it? And there it is, guys. That's how we do it. Before the sun went down, cut us a nice little bow ring. All right, guys, and there it is. For more videos like this, make sure to follow and like. Thank you.